Hi, everybody, my name's Devon. This is one of our Wistek's 12-volt, 100 or lithium iron phosphate battery. He is made up of FreEV, composed of 3.0 to V100 Ah square batteries. It has a cycle life of 5,000 cycles and 100% DOD. After 5,000 deep cycles, he can maintain more than 80% of his actual capacity. Then we offer a warranty. It's a 5-year warranty. The size of this battery is International Standard Dimensions for lead-acid batteries, BCI Group 31. You can just use this battery to replace traditional lead-acid batteries. The battery is internally paired with 4 strings, protection plate for 1 IH. You can achieve 1200 watts of continuous output, 3600 watts peak output. What he's got up here is BMS. Then this BMS has an overcharge. It is to prevent the battery from overcharging and overflowing and to prevent leakage. Equalized batteries are protected. This battery also comes with low temperature cut-off protection function. Below this are our FreEV grader cells. His cycle count, up to 5,000 cycles or more.